advantageous traits, Pataseka's owner compelled him to mate with all the black women slaves. The intention behind this disturbing practice was to produce slave children with the same tall stature, muscular body, and strong hands, seen as attributes that could generate higher profits for slave owners. During that era, superstitions believed that tall men with lean legs were more likely to father male offspring, which was highly desirable for labor-intensive tasks. Consequently, Pataseka, known as Roque, was thrust into the role of a breeder by his owner. This ominous designation required him to impregnate the female slaves on the farm. The legacy of Pataseka extends through generations, with approximately 30% of the population in the district of Santiago Carlos able to trace their roots back to him. His role as a breeder aimed to enhance his owner's workforce by introducing genetically advantageous traits. Pataseka himself was treated as less than human, like a prized breeding horse. His strong physical traits and ability to tirelessly work on the plantations made him valuable to his owners. They saw his biological advantage and sought to capitalize on it. These children were destined to follow in their parents' footsteps, forced into a life of slavery on the plantations. They would off to preserve their strong traits, creating a robust workforce for the slave owners. The ultimate goal was to have a sufficient number of slaves to sustain the entire institution of slavery without the need to import more from Africa. They were treated as animals, forced to mate and breed, multiplying the enslaved population for the benefit of their owners. This dark practice exemplifies the cruelty and inhumanity of slavery. Not only perpetuated the institution of slavery, but also perpetuated the cycle of oppression, with children being born into a life of servitude and suffering. Exploring this painful history sheds light on the resilience and strength of the enslaved individuals who navigated these oppressive circumstances, and serves as a reminder of the lasting consequences of systemic exploitation. Thank you for watching. I would like to take a moment to express our sincere gratitude for your continued support. Your view